The Amazfit T-Rex 2 is the watch that proves you don't have to break the bank to get a feature-packed tactical smartwatch. Right off the bat, the T-Rex 2 impresses with its 1.39-inch AMOLED touchscreen that's bright and easy to read, even under direct sunlight. The display is crisp and vibrant, enhancing the overall user experience. When it comes to durability, it has passed 15 military-grade tests, so it's built to withstand extreme temperatures, shocks, and even salt spray. One of the biggest highlights is its massive battery life. Under typical usage, you get 24 days. And in battery saver mode, up to 45 days. That's exceptional, especially if you're planning extended trips where charging options are limited. The watch supports over 150 sports modes, including running, cycling, swimming, and even more niche activities like hunting and fishing. It also features dual-band GPS with 5 satellite positioning systems, ensuring accurate tracking wherever you are. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The T-Rex 2 doesn't support third-party sensors, so you can't connect external heart rate monitors or other devices. Also, the companion app isn't as polished as some competitors, and it can be a bit glitchy at times. But for its price point, the Amazfit T-Rex 2 offers an incredible array of features. If you're on a budget, but still want a rugged, capable smartwatch, this one is hard to beat. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and suggestions. And let me know in the comments which watch you're eyeing, or if there's another one you think should have made the list. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay adventurous.